Yeah, all this cabinetry work is done with 4x4s. Ripped them 1/2 inch strips, sand them, stain them. The granite countertops, I bought them used, but they were never used. It's the lady that had the granite for her new house wanted a pearl design, so she had them uninstall it, and I was able to purchase them for $400 for the whole house. And it come out looking pretty rustic. I know this is not the best lighting, but that's knotty pine ceiling. The trim all throughout the house is the 4x4s. That I ripped on a table saw, 1/2 inch thick. I sanded them, stained them, save you a lot of money. Most of the photos, the pictures I got were from Temu, and it cost very much. But I remodeled the whole trailer for a little under $6,000. That's even with a new tin roof. Gal volume, the best you can get. But you have to do it yourself to be able to save that much money. Just a kitchen island almost would cost you $3,000 if you hired somebody to do it. Now, like I say, you can look on Facebook Marketplace and find you some real good deals on granite. But that last video I did, it was cut short, so that's why I'm making one more, so y'all can see the whole house. Let me go ahead and get that back bedroom first back here, because that's the one that got cut off. That's a queen log bed, bought used on the Facebook Marketplace. That's a dresser that I made with a 4x4. And I've never done carpentry work, so if I can do it, y'all can do it. And hopefully this gives y'all some idea how you can do rustic renovation on your mobile home. But every bit of the trim is done throughout the trailer with them 4x4s. And this is the guest bathroom. A little small, like I said. Granite countertop. $400 the whole house. That's not bad. You just gotta look. And please like and subscribe so I can keep these videos coming. And this is another guest bedroom. Another dresser that I made with the 4x4s and logs. But I do like that trim on the pictures. And the log bunk bed also bought used. Restained them. Knotty pine, and the roof is the only thing I bought new. Knotty Pine was $1,100 to do the kitchen and the living room. And this is the last I'll show you on this video. This is my porch, sunroom. Made the double cedar and the log swing. And please hit a like and subscribe. Y'all stay tuned. In about 3-4 weeks, going to Lake Gunnersville, do some striped bass fishing. And if you don't subscribe, you won't see the video. It won't pop up. But we're going to have a blast. We're going to be there for 6 days. Celebrate my retirement. And this is Tom from Robbing Tom, giving y'all some ideas on rustic makeover on a mobile home. On the other video I said 14 by 70. It's a 14 by 80, $19.99. And that one log bed back there is a hospital bed. And I just got rid of the metal frame, put a log frame. Come out looking pretty good, I thought. Anyhow, hit subscribe and you'll be able to see that striped bass fishing, me and Rob, July the 10th through the 16th. And I am just about complete with the mobile home makeover.